The new feature of multi-point editing can also help us to modify some of the features of our workpieces a little bit easier. For example, let's say here in this workpiece, we want this entire section to go 5 millimeters to the right. In the previous version, what you would have to do is actually not so easy. You will have to go to the last toolpath element, then find which way you have to modify it, enter the value, then go to the first toolpath element. You can finally go and then make an offset interpolation in between the first one and the last one, and then you can finally have your toolpath offset to the side. With the new multi-point edit, this is actually super simple. So you can go into your 3D space, make a selection box with all of the targets that you want, click to open the teach manipulator, and then select the direction that you want to modify them. And then that's it. All of the targets are modified at the same time. Everything makes sense, and it's a pretty simple and self-explanatory way to modify this. Another modification like this can be also achieved within the teach panel. So here, for example, I can go to the Y transformation on the world, and then I can add another extra 2 millimeters. So this is a workflow that is way easier. It can give you results pretty much instantly, and it does not require any kind of interpolation or complex calculation or figuring out the directions. This is just fairly straightforward.